Good day and welcome to Deputy AT's page. In this episode, episode 5, we will continue on the different definitions of vehicles. On page 29 of Texas Highway Patrol Field Enforcement Guide, towed vehicles. Trailer, designed to be drawn by a motor vehicle and to transport persons or property, and constructed so that no part of the vehicle's weight and load rests on the motor vehicle. Semitrailer, designed to be drawn by a motor vehicle and to transport persons or property, and constructed so that part of the vehicle's weight and load rests on or is carried by another vehicle. House trailer. A trailer or semi-trailer, other than a towable recreational vehicle, that A, is transportable in one or more sections. B, is less than 45 feet in length. C, is built on a permanent chassis. D, is designed to be used as a dwelling or for commercial purposes. And E, includes plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and electrical systems. Pole trailer, designed to be drawn by another vehicle and secured to the other vehicle by a pole, reach, boom, or security device, and ordinarily used to transport a long or irregularly shaped loads, generally capable of sustaining themselves as beams between the supporting connections. Towable recreational vehicle, non-motorized vehicle that is designed to be towable by a motor vehicle for temporary human habitation for uses including recreational camping or seasonal use. Permanently built on a single chassis, may contain one or more life support systems. On page 30, we begin to define other vehicles. Authorized emergency vehicle, fire department or police vehicle, public or private ambulance, emergency medical service vehicle, municipal department or public service corporation emergency vehicle, county-owned or county-leased emergency management vehicle, state emergency management vehicle, private vehicle of a volunteer firefighter or a certified emergency medical services employee when responding to a fire alarm or medical emergency, industrial emergency response vehicle when responding to an emergency, vehicle of a blood bank or tissue bank when making emergency deliveries of blood, drugs, medicines, or organs. Vehicles used for law enforcement purposes that is owned or leased by a federal governmental entity. A private vehicle of an employee or volunteer of a county emergency management division in a county with a population of more than 52,600 and less than 55,000. Police vehicle must be used by a peace officer for law enforcement purposes and owned by one of the following: a governmental entity, the police department of a private university that commissions peace officer, or privately owned by the officer and approved by the head of the police officer's agency for law enforcement purposes. Then we go on to bicycle, capable of being ridden solely using human power and has one of the following: 2 tandem wheels, at least one of which is more than 14 inches in diameter. B, 3 wheels, 2 of which are in parallel, and at least one of the 3 wheels is more than 14 inches in diameter. Or C, any number of wheels and adaptive technology that allows the device to be ridden by a person with a disability. Electric bicycle, defined in 664.001. A bicycle equipped with fully operable pedals, an electric motor of fewer than 750 watts, and a top assisted speed of 28 miles per hour or less. That concludes our definitions in episode 5. Stay tuned for episode 6, where we will complete the definitions of vehicles and the different types of vehicles and begin definitions of equipment from page 31. Deputy AT, stay active.